So I'm out here working on the old Chevy again, when I suddenly realized that the new water pump that I just got didn't have the studs on it. Felt like an idiot for just now realizing this, but I finally found a fix for this. Now, I thought I had my camera recording every time that I tried to film this, but let me go back over this with you. These studs on these are in fact lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Got 4 of them on this water pump for an 86 S10, 2.8 liter. And what I effectively did was I took a couple of nuts that came off these studs. As you can see, I got one upside down and one right side up in order to get a wrench down on the bottom one. And then about all you gotta do is basically do that. Slip your wrench down here on the bottom one and push against the threads, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, or is the way I always remember it, clockwise or counterclockwise, based on how the wrench spins. But anyway, you just bust those loose, and they'll spin right on out, lefty. Well, turn left or counterclockwise to take them out, and then to put them back in, righty-tighty, you turn them counterclockwise, and they'll go back in. I just had to learn this trick like 2 minutes ago, but simple little trick. Cheers.